What's up, everybody? Good morning. I missed you guys. Make sure this mic's not even working. Oh wait, yeah, it is. There we go. What's up, everybody? Let's get live on the TikTok. What's up? Now I gotta get used to waking up even earlier. Let's see. Live on TikTok. Hey, the move was good. Honestly, driving the Tesla over here wasn't as bad as I thought it was gonna be. I still had to charge it like 16 times, but you got to figure by the time you get out, you stretch. Like if you were to drive a gas car, by the time you get out, stretch, fill up the gas, get food, do whatever. The Tesla only had about like 10 more minutes to charge at that point. Plus, I had my dog, so I had to walk the dog. But yeah, honestly, driving across the entire country in a Tesla was not as bad as I thought. Fun fact. Bro, I love Colorado. I don't know. Hopefully, all you guys follow me on Instagram, but the views here are crazy. All right, let's let everybody know on Instagram that we are finally live again for the first time in what, 11 days? We out here. I woke up stuffy today, if you guys can't tell, but also I got to figure out how to change my computer time because it still says 8. Let's see. Premarket plan live. But yeah, also if you guys were in the Instagram lives, I also get access to this office on like the 42nd floor. Beautiful, beautiful views. Yeah, I'm hyped. How do I make it look so clean? What do you mean? It might also be the monitor I'm on. This is I forget. It was expensive, but it definitely looks a lot better than all the other monitors. Cool. Let's do this. Again, hopefully everybody's been having a good trading week so far. Hopefully you guys had a good remainder of last week. I think only live streamed on Monday last week. But yeah, hopefully you guys crushed it last week. Hopefully you guys are crushing it so far this week. And today I will say we do have FOMC minutes. So previously in the past, I've noticed that trading before the minutes and trading the minutes is not good. Those are days where I tend to either lose money because the market is choppy, or the market is just very, like, it's not giving clear direction. So I think today I'm going to be a little more patient. I did have a red day yesterday. We can go over that trade that I ended up taking. It was super, super light. I honestly didn't even lose that much. But if we go to 5-minute time frame, we had this very nice push to the upside, pull back to that 8 EMA. Obviously, the overall trend is still up. The market's been very bullish. So as soon as we pull back to that 8 EMA, that's when I ended up getting long at the close of this candle and just stopped out right below the low of this low, or right below the low of this candle. So as soon as we started breaking below, that's when I got out. Very small loss. So we'll see if we get some opportunity today. But again, FOMC minutes, I'm personally not really expecting much. Could I be completely wrong and the market wants to rip? Absolutely. So I will keep an open mind. A+ setups only. But yeah, ideally what I would like to see is if we can clear this 560.85. Because if we break above there, then we get a gap fill from the daily time frame. Let's go to that. Why is it marked like that? That is not right. There we go. 562.1. That's our daily gap. Boom. And name this gap fill. There we go. But yeah, if we get above yesterday's high, 560.84, I'm going to look for the gap fill into 562.1. And then from there, I mean, if we start pulling back, I think So we already hit our 1 hour 21. I believe the 4 hour 21 is still an area I would really like to watch. So we can see over here, we broke above that 4 hour 21 EMA. What was it? Not last Thursday, but the previous Thursday. So about 2 weeks ago, we broke above this 4 hour 21 EMA. And we haven't touched it since. So we got very, very close here, but we still haven't touched it. So I think if we pull back towards like this 556 level, that is an area I want to watch. Plus, we do have that previous like resistance area right here. So resistance possibly turns support. So overall, I'm going to be watching this area right here. As far as the demand zone, we have one way down there on the 4 hour. Nah, it's the same mic. Let's see. We also have a very nice 2 hour squeeze. We're holding structure. Nothing on the 2 hour time frame though. Don't really like that 1 hour. Yeah, so I mean, personally, for me, it's going to be a bounce at that 4 hour 21. Again, what was it? 550, 555.8, 555.9. So watch that area, break above here, look for the gap fill. So that's everything I'm watching on SPY. What's up, everybody? Good morning. But yeah, I also got to figure out, oh yeah, I definitely got better internet here too. Way, way better. That's everything on SPY. I will say I got to figure out before I put out a YouTube video. I didn't realize the overall layout of where my office is, but there's this ginormous mirror behind me. So the camera is going to be looking right at the mirror. So I got to figure out what to do with that. It looks super weird. But, all right, we cleared this supply on. Yes, so we don't have to worry about that. Next supply zone is, or not supply. Next demand is way, way down here, 54.90. I think I'm going to watch that 4 hour 21 EMA again. That's towards 5,600. Haven't tested it. Got very, very close there, but never actually touched it. So I will watch that. Get above 5643.75. Again, look for that daily gap fill on SPY. But as far as ES, I mean, there's really nothing blocking it till all-time highs. So. Let's see, I have a question. How do we know whether we should select an at the money, out of the money, or in the money strike for the market open when we don't have it? Typically, I'll decide strike prices depending on just the overall cost of the contract. So like yesterday, the in the money contracts were super cheap. They were only like 130 bucks, I think is what I ended up getting filled on my trade for. I'm pretty sure I traded in the money. But yeah, if in the money is cheap enough, I'll go in the money. So just like one strike in the money or just like barely in the money, depending on the price. Typically, it's going to be at the money. Though like one, maybe two strikes away, depending on what I'm trading. So like Tesla, for example, right? If Tesla's trading at 195.60, I typically don't go with those intervals of 0.5. So I would go with, what number did I just use? 195.60. I would go with the 200 strike. Hopefully that makes sense. All right, QQQ. Disaster of a chart. Come on. There we go. All right. QQQ. Start on the daily. We got a gap fill from 488.8, which we're very far away, so I highly doubt we hit that. Probably have NQ daily demand right there once we head on over to that. Same thing, going to be watching that 4 hour 21 EMA. Kind of touched it a few times there, but we'll see. Our 4 hour demand isn't until 465. So again, I highly, highly doubt that we get down there. Maybe minutes sends us down there, but again, highly unlikely. Cleared the supply. If we get above this pre-market high, 483.12, I'll look for a continuation. All right, nothing else on the 4 hour. And real quick, make sure you guys are hitting that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. Everybody in the TikTok, make sure you guys are following. I go live every single morning, 8 a.m. Eastern time, give you guys a completely free watch list for the day. Plus, everybody on TikTok, if you guys haven't checked out my YouTube channel, Branded Trades, highly suggest you do so. Over 1,100 videos and live streams teaching you guys on how to trade. And again, I go live every single morning, give you guys free levels for the day, and we're going to get back on the live trading. So if you guys want to tap in, Brandon Trades on YouTube, or head on over to the link in my bio. Come join the YouTube fam. But QQQ, honestly, depending on if we break above this 481.40, that could be an entry. Pre-market high, get above there. Nice little 2-hour squeeze. Look to take it back up into these highs from yesterday or pre-market high. I like the structure on the 2-hour. I will say that. It's definitely something I'm going to watch. Cool. I don't really think we have much else. No good demands that I see. No good supplies. 30-minute way down there. And a 45-minute way down there. Cool. That's everything on QQQ. Head on over to NQ and SPX, and then we'll take a look at some of the individuals as well. So again, we have that demand way down there. Doubt we get down there. I mean, maybe. There we go. But yeah, main thing, I really like this 2-hour squeeze that we're getting with the structure. So get above pre-market highs, look for the push. Really don't. I wonder if we cleared the 78.6. I think we did. I'm pretty sure I had it marked the other day. No, maybe it was yes. But yeah, 78.6 isn't until way up there. We'll watch it whenever price actually ends up getting to that. This is valid. Yeah. I mean, really, uptrend entry above pre-market highs. Look to take it back up into these highs, or bounce 4-hour 21. Right there. Cool. So that's everything on NQ. Quick look at SPX. All right, so with SPX, if it can get above 56.2250, we can look for the daily gap fill. Did we not get above that yesterday? Nah, we got close. All right. So, yeah, 56.2250, gap fill into 56.39. Gap fill. Perfect. All right, let's run through some individuals and see what we like today. Then I'll take a look at some of the individuals for you guys as well. Where's my watch list? There it is. I watch a mixture of the 5, 15, and 2 to get entries. Apple. How many green days is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 green days in a row. That's crazy. What's up, JJ? Good morning. All right, so I mean, Apple has a nice 4-hour squeeze. If it waits to break above 227.20, that could be a possibility. Pull up the. There we go. All right, so Amazon. Potentially watch that. Or not Amazon. Whoops. Apple, potentially watch that. Amazon's probably going to go on the list. I know we got that gap fill still. Yes. Okay, so we're finally breaking above the gap. Look to trade it up into 180, 187. Just hopefully it doesn't fill it in the pre-market, but 100% Amazon is going on this. Then we can look for a bounce at anywhere from 178.85 up to 179.11. I'll look for a bounce. 100%. All right, Boeing, don't care about Coin, don't care about Google. Moving off of Target earnings. I think I saw the Target earnings pop up. I think they did good. Yes. Very good, actually. All right, what were we at? We were at, I think, Google. Google don't care about IWM. Pretty much smacked that 61.8 the other day. Meta. Don't care about. Microsoft. Let's see. Already hit that 50 a couple times. Maybe for a short trade, Microsoft. I don't really like trading Microsoft. It's not my favorite. Yeah, I mean, like I said earlier, Levi, trading before FOMC minutes or FOMC in general isn't the best. So remember, we don't have to trade every day. We can sit cash. So if you notice that trading before FOMC, that you're constantly red, guess what? Don't trade. Go do something. Go do something fun. I'll tell you what, I probably wouldn't be here had I been around for the last like week and a half. I'd be going to do something. But since we haven't been here, I'll be here with you guys. Video. Again, I would like that 4 hour 21. It's just this might be our higher low right here. Maybe like a side watch on Nvidia. Qualcomm definitely don't care about. SPX we looked at in Tesla, good old Tesla. Maybe like 237. Yeah, I mean, we rejected that 50 pretty hard yesterday. Cool. So, I mean, it looks like the individuals that I like are Apple, Amazon, and Microsoft. Ideally, Apple and Amazon to the upside. Maybe keep Microsoft as that side watch if the market gets weak. But cool. Let's finalize these levels, get it written up, give you guys a little watch list today. Yeah, I really like that 1 hour on Apple. That looks really good. I believe all we have is FOMC minutes today. Let's see. See Savage's market calendar. His is usually different. Oh, there's actually a decent amount. I don't really watch the Fed business inflation expectation, so I'm curious what that's going to do. Definitely don't pay attention to petroleum. We have a 20-year bond auction, which typically we get a little short-term volatility. That's at 1, and then FOMC minutes at 2. So, again, main thing is going to be the minutes. That's going to be the, hopefully, a mover. And actually, let's see what they're thinking with the rate hikes. Or cuts, I mean. No more rate hikes. Currently, there is... I mean, we don't get FOMC minutes, or, oh my God, we don't get FOMC, the actual one, until September 18th. So it looks like there's a 67% chance that we get a 25 basis point cut, and currently a 32% chance that we get a 50% basis cut. So, curious what's actually going to happen. That'd be crazy if they did 50. Yes, sir. I love it here. Literally yesterday and the day before was unpacking all the boxes. Not fun. I'll tell you that. Absolutely not fun. All right, let's get this typed up. So, let's see, SPY. And real quick, because I haven't been here for a while, you guys should absolutely hit that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. 120 people here in the live stream, 123 people actually. Only 50 likes, so not even half of you hit that like button. So make sure you guys take 2 seconds, hit that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. But let's see. All right, SPY. SPY. Let's see. 560.844 daily gap fill into 562.1. Perfect. All right, SPY. Nah, if I'm gonna get another car, it's either gonna be a GTR or an R8. Those are the next two, for sure. QQQ. Let's see. Break above. I mean, it really depends if we break this pre-market high. It looks like we're going to try to. But I still like uptrend entries into yesterday's high. So I might have to change this plan a little bit a little later. Break above pre-market highs for continuation into 43.12. And I'm looking for more upside. Bounce 4-hour 21 EMA. Cool. All right, so we got SPY, QQQ, 100% Amazon. Look for the daily gap. Gap fill to 181.87. I know, I want one so bad. Curious what the insurance would be out here because they want $5K a year for my Tesla for insurance in Denver. It's stupid. $5K. Paid $1,600 in PA. So what is that? More than tripled is what they want. Above 227.2. Yep, I'm watching the SPY gap. Yeah, clearly people just don't know how to drive in Denver. So honestly, should actually look at other cars and get quotes and see how much they would want. See how close they are in price. Because ain't no 5K worth it for a Tesla, I'll tell you that. All right, screenshots. All right, SPY. QQQ. And Amazon. Yeah, too many old people. That's why insurance is so high. Makes sense. Oh yeah. Let's see. Amazon gap fill or bounce. 78.84 to 179.11. Perfect. Amazon and Apple. Yeah, I mean, really not too much blocking Apple if we get above that. Perfect. Blows my mind. I have no idea. Boom. Nah, I don't got a lighter. It's one thing I didn't pack was a lighter. I got a candle, but no lighter. As always, A+ setups. But yeah, I think Apple and Amazon are gonna be my main focus today. That's what I like the most. So cool. A+ setups. Send this out to everybody in Team Bull. Give it to YouTube channel members. I'll tell you what. 100 likes. I'll give you guys this watch list in the chat. I know you guys can do it. 120 people up in here. 75 likes already. We only need 25 more. And then I'll give you guys a watch list. I believe in you guys. Boom. YouTube channel members, you guys got it. Team Bull, you guys got it. There we go. And hold on one second. Let's see. Get you guys this little application link if you guys wanna learn from me and Team Bull. We got our mastermind starting on Monday, and I believe it opens on Friday. So if anybody does want to learn from me directly in a one-on-one environment, also learn from Team Bull, Jada and Grizzly, GD, Savage, a bunch of other amazing traders, highly suggest you guys check out this application link right there. Do I feel like live trading today? That's a good question. It really depends on the market. But I mean, I think Amazon and Apple might come into play. So I'll tell you what, I'll do some live trading today. Yes, indeed. So what time is it? It is 8:36 Eastern. I'll be back on here 9:15 Eastern. And then we'll do some live trading. See what we can find. 10 more likes. I know you guys can do it. And you get this watch list. But yes, we will do some live trading today. It's been a minute, actually. It's been a couple weeks, I think. Tell me about it, Wolf Hunter. What other questions we got? I can look at Intel. I got you. I get TC. I mean, personally, what I would watch is a break above 22. The only issue is you're going to have EMAs and SMAs blocking you on the way up. So you can use them as price targets. So, yeah, nothing until you get above 22 on Intel. They must have really reported bad. Yeah, really, 22. And then, I mean, if it fell apart, I'd probably watch that 1206. But yeah, that's it on Intel. There you go. You guys are about to hit the like goal. I'll give it to you guys. Hey, I appreciate it, JD. You to go. Thank you for the donation. I'm going to go get some Denver sushi today, I'll tell you that. But, as always, None of this is a trading recommendation. Everything talked about in this live stream is based on my opinion and my opinion only. Options trading is very risky, where you can lose more than your initial investment if you are not careful. So as always, do your own due diligence, use your own proper risk management, and I'm not responsible for any lost funds. Messed up. It's been too long since I did it. But also make sure you guys do have your notifications on for the YouTube, so you guys are notified every time I go live or every time I upload a brand new video. I'm going to try to get a new video out hopefully by Monday. I do have family in town, so I'm probably not going to have time these next couple of days, but hopefully by Monday. Let's do this. All right. Here's SPY. QQQ. Amazon. And Apple. But yeah, like I said, Amazon and Apple are my favorites. You too, JD. Amazon and Apple are my go-tos. If we get the strength. Absolutely. I also got to figure out how to set everything up because now I only have 3 monitors. I used to have 4. I think that's going to be a little hard to do in Denver, but I'll try. Yes, I'm watching the upside for Apple. Apple and Amazon. Yes, indeed. Give everybody another minute to write that all down. Screenshot it, whatever you want to do with it. And then go get some stuff done before live trading. Oops. There we go. Cool. Well, I guess I'll talk to everybody here in about 30-40 minutes. Again, make sure you guys have the notifications on. That way you're notified when I go live. And I'll also post it on the little community thing that I have. So until then, everybody take it easy. I'll talk to you guys soon. Peace.